All right, moving on. The countdown is on and employers are scrambling to get all the facts as a new law will soon go into effect. That means overtime pay for millions more workers across the country. Tonight in Virginia at Work, we look at the facts and how it will affect you. According to the United States Department of Labor, come December 1st, employees must make a minimum of $47,476 to be considered salary. Anyone making less must receive overtime pay according to the Fair Labor Standards Act. Now, this federal law, the government says, will extend overtime pay protections to more than 4 million workers within the first year. Roanoke attorney Tommy Strelka practices employment law and says the Obama administration estimates this change in the law means more than $12 billion will be paid in additional overtime funds to our country's labor force in the next 10 years. In this day and age of a 24/7 workforce and economy, both Strelka and executive consulting coach Lynda McNutt Foster agree things could get tricky.
Sending emails or maybe making a phone call or two or filling out some paperwork after business hours, from their couch on their laptop while watching Game of Thrones, in the morning before they take a shower. Under the change of the law, if that employee is not being paid $47,476 in salary, you owe them overtime now.
We talked about time and how important it was to map and measure your time. Now it's mission critical. How long are these tasks taking? Have you been measuring that? You know, if you send an email out as a leader at midnight because that's the first chance you've had to get back to them, does your employee know they don't have to get back to you then? So a lot of communication is going to need to happen when this law comes into play.
Each week we post information online so you can get more details and refer back to topics as they may arise in your workplace. Just head to virginiafirst.com, click on sections, and there you'll find Virginia at Work topics under the community list.
We will be posting a podcast conversation with Tommy Strelka and Lynda McNutt Foster about all of the work that still needs to be done to fully understand the law and its ramifications.
There are quite a few things out there. People are still having a ton of questions. And be sure, of course, to tune in to Good Day Virginia tomorrow morning. Both of them will be joining our team during the 7:30 half hour to delve into this topic at length, which is definitely needed. And if you have any questions, you can email me, Becky Freemal at virginiafirst.com. Tommy Strelka can help field any of those legal questions. And you can also send me questions via Facebook as well. And when it comes to communicating concerns with your team, Lynda McNutt Foster can definitely help you with that. A lot of things to deal with this.